Hello everyone, welcome to NPM Stack. My name is Bhushan and in this video I am going to talk about JavaScript array.IndexOf method. The array.IndexOf method is quite useful in JavaScript array. So let's take a look what is array.IndexOf method. So array.IndexOf method gives us the position of first occurrence of provided element. Okay? Or in other words, it gives us the first index at which the element is found. Okay, means we are providing element in index of, okay, as a parameter, and it gives us the position of first occurrence of this element. Okay, and if the provided element is not present, then it will return -1. Okay, means if element is not present in array, then it will return the -1. Otherwise it will return the first index of this element. The syntax of index of element is it accepts two parameters. The first one is search element and the second is start index. The first parameter search index is required, but the second parameter start index is optional. Okay, and the search index, it is the element that we are searching in array. Okay, and the start index, if it is provided, then array searching will start from that index. Means if we provide this parameter start index, then searching will start from that index. Okay, otherwise if we don't provide this start index, then it will consider as 0 and the searching will start from 0th index. And if the start index is greater than or equal to array length, then we get -1 in result. Means it will decline to search, it will not search and it will directly return -1 if the start index is greater than or equal to array length. We will take one example on this. Okay, and if the search index is negative, then it is taken as offset from the last index of array. Okay. I will explain you this point with example. Okay, I know it is quite confusing, but I will explain you with example. Okay, see here, if the search index is negative, then it is taken as offset from the last index of array, but array is still search from front to back. It will not search from end to start, it will search from front to back. We will see example on this. Okay, so let's switch to code editor and work on examples on array.IndexOf method. So create one file, IndexOf demo.js. So let me create one array with some elements 1, 2, 1, 3 and 3. I added some duplicate element. Okay, now let's apply IndexOf method, IndexOf, and let's search for 1 first. Okay, and what is returned? It returned the position of first index of this element. So let's store this in some variable index. Okay, let me console.log this, console.log index. Okay, and let me run this file. Let me minimize this using Ctrl B so that we have some more space. Node and the file name index of. See here, 1 is at 0th index. This one, okay, it is at 0th index, so we get 0 as an index. But you can see 1 is at second index also. But as I told you, it returned the first occurrence, means first index of the element. So it gives us 0. And like that, if we search for 3, see, we get 3 at third index, because see here 0, 1, 2 and 3. We didn't get 4th. Okay, so it gives us the first index of this element. And if we, okay, see here, we can pass start index also. So for 1, let me start from first index. We can skip this 0 index. So let's see, we are starting from first index, and the search value is 1 also. So let me run this node index of JS. See here, now we get 2. Why we get 2? Because we have started from this value, means first index. So see here 0, 1 and 2. This one is skip, means we didn't search for this index. We are started from first index. So we get 2 second index, 1 at second position. Okay, so like that we can pass start value also. But as I told you, if we pass the search index, okay, this search index or start index equal to or greater than array length, then we get -1, means it avoid to search. So the what is length of this array? 5. So let me add, start this from 5. See here, we get -1, means if we provide the start index equal to or greater than the length of array, then we get -1. See, if we pass greater than, see here, okay, then it returns -1. Okay, and for negative value, so let me show you for negative value. Let's add -1 as a start index. Okay, so let me show you what is this from a start index or search index. We can call this search index, not start index. Okay, so let me show you node, and what is file name? Index of JS. See here, we get -1 because this -1, how this is like how this is searching. Let me show you. So for this 3, means for this 3, it will consider this as, what is the index is -1 if we pass negative as a search index, and for this second 3 it is -2. This 3 is -2. Let me change this value. Okay, let me add 3 here because it is side by side, so, and 1 here. Okay, so for 1, if we add negative as a search index, then for 1 the index is -2, means it is -1, it is -2, and like that, -3, -4, and like that we get index. Okay, so let me search for these 3. Okay, this 3 and -1. See here, node index of, see, we get 4 because we have searched from -1. So -1 is 3. This value is in our range. And what is index of this? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. As I told you, see here, array is still search from front to back. Okay, if the search index is negative, but it will still search from front to back. Okay, the search index is -1, means this one. So we have 3 in our range. Okay, we have 3 in our range, and then it will start search from this. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we get 4. But see here, what is, let me add this for all elements. 3, another 3 have -3. Then we have 2. For 2, it is -4. And for 1, second one, okay, this one, it is -5. So let me search this from this 3. Means what is this value of -3? What is the value of 3? -3. So let me search from this -3 for this 3 value. So it will start from -1, -2, -3. Means we have these elements. Okay, means 3 is in our range, both 3s. So what should be the output? Let me show you. Node index of, see, now we get 2. Okay, why we get 2? Because see here, the search range is -3, means we have this range. Okay, -1, -2, and -3, but the search will start from front to back. So see, 0, 1, and 2, because we have this in our range. Okay, and if we search for, see here, let me search for -5 and for 1. Okay, for 1 and -5 means we have all these elements in our range. So the search will start from front to back. So we should get 0 here. See, perfect, we get 0. But if we start from less than -5, see, -4 or anything less than -4, see, we get 3 because we have search index is -4, means -1, -2, -3, and -4, means we have this element in our range. So 1 is at, we don't have this 1 in our range. So 1 is at index, this one, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So that we get this index of this value. Okay, like that we can pass this negative value also as a search index. Okay, so this index of method is quite useful. It gives us the index of first occurrence of element. Okay, I think we are good here. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video and like, and please check my playlist for more videos on array methods. Thank you so much.